Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Donovan, and tonight I'm excited to share with you an unboxing of the best phone in the entire world at the best price ever. This is the iPhone XS Max, and yes, I'm being sarcastic. Now, with that being said, I am very excited to share with you my thoughts on this device over the next couple of months or so, because I'm definitely keeping this thing long term. I've been rocking with the iPhone 8 Plus for a very long time now, and I'm ready to move on to something a little bit different. So I also did pick up, of course, the Apple Watch Series 4. I've been rocking with the Apple Watch Series 3 for a couple months now, and so I'm excited to share with you also my thoughts on the Apple Watch Series 4, but that unboxing is going to come a little bit later. Right now, the focus is on the iPhone XS Max. So you can see here that I picked up the 256 gig version. I picked up the unlocked version because, well, I like to use my phones on different carriers, specifically T-Mobile and Verizon. So I'll be testing out their speed with this device, also comparing it to the phone I'm recording on, the Note 9. Unfortunately, I won't be able to obviously put them side by side at the moment. But let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So, woohoo! It made a crinkly plastic sound. That's exciting, right? Okay. All right, moving on. So in the box, of course, you get the typical Apple stuff. I picked up the space gray version of the device, so I'm pretty excited. I did not get the gold version, so of course we got our SIM removal tool, our Apple stickers, our hello from Apple. Set that stuff off to the side. And here we go, some more crinkly plastic sound that you all love, right? Okay, I'm just being sarcastic now. All right, so we got that stainless steel side, so it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on, and I'm gonna be comparing it to this bad boy right here. So there's some other people talking about the iPhone 10 as well, but let's go ahead and power it on and get this thing going. But yeah, so very excited about this device, honestly. Like, I know I'm being a little bit sarcastic here, but I am very excited to test this thing out. And really, most of all, just to have something a little bit different from my iPhone 8 Plus. So I go back and forth between iPhone and Android. I really actually have one of each all the time. I never really only have just iPhone or just Android or just Apple or just Android. I always have one of each, and so I'm excited to just have something a little different when it comes to iOS. And really, I'm most excited about this one right here. I will also be picking up the iPhone XR once that one's available, just because I need to try it, because everyone's talking about it, so why not? So this is a little bit of a letdown that Apple included a 5-watt charger. Just silly. All right, and then of course the earpods. Now I won't ever use these because I have AirPods, and then also, of course, our lightning adapter. So that's what you get in the box, see? Not super exciting, but I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. A lot more to come on this device in the near future. Also comparisons to the device I'm gonna be using it next to, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. But you can see in terms of size, this is almost identical to the iPhone 8 Plus, which is really cool because I've pretty much gotten used to the iPhone 8 Plus in terms of its size. So that's gonna be awesome for me. Personally, I definitely did not wanna go with the iPhone XS because, yeah, that's basically just the iPhone 10 with a faster processor, and that just wasn't for me. So anyways, quick look at the iPhone XS Max. Super large screen iPhone, 6.5 inch display, Super Retina. How is that possible? Super Retina. I thought Retina was as much as our eyes could see, but anyways, we have a Super Retina display, AMOLED, so that's cool. And yeah, super excited to try it out. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the sarcasm. Hope to see you all in the next video. Peace.